We get a lot of calls over the winter time and wanting to know if the freeze miser works on a vacuum breaker. Yes, it does, but the vacuum breaker may be bad. When you screw the freeze miser on and turn the water on, if it starts leaking, that means your vacuum breaker is bad. And what you'll need to do is basically turn the water back off, unscrew the freeze miser, and a lot of times there's a set screw in here you'll have to loosen, and then unscrew the bad vacuum breaker off. Now, if your city ordinance requires it, you need to replace that vacuum breaker. If it doesn't, you can just put the freeze miser back onto your faucet, turn the water on, and you're good to go. Here, I went and purchased a new vacuum breaker, and I'm going to put it on. Tighten it up. And I'm going to put my freeze miser on, the new vacuum breaker, and turn the water on, and you're good to go.